All right, what we're working on today is we're going to learn about two special right triangles. And I will admit that the vocabulary is not really going to make sense until we see the problems, but I still ask that you write them down so that it helps you when we get to notes. Okay, so 45, 45, 90 triangle is an isosceles right triangle because it has two equal sides. And so it has two also equal angles. The angles are both 45. And so the ratios that represent the sides are 1 and 1, and the hypotenuse is square root of 2. So again, this may not make sense, but once we start doing some problems, it will. So you just have to remember that for a 45, 45, 90, the ratio is 1, 1, square root of 2. The next special triangle we have is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And this one's a little harder, but there's a small angle, a bigger angle, and then the right angle. Okay? Opposite the small angle is 1. Opposite the bigger angle is square root of 3. And opposite the hypotenuse is 2. So if we were to write these in order from smallest side to largest side, it would be 1, square root of 3, 2. Alright, so again, it may not make sense, but once we start doing some problems, you will understand it better.